Hello everyone, welcome to my reading. Today I am here with another pick a card reading on whether the current person you are dating is the right one or not, the relationship you are currently in if the right relationship or not, or whether the person you are thinking about or anyone in your mind whom you think as a prospective a romantic relationship or a romantic partner for your future is the right one for you or not. This is a general reading, so it may or may not resonate with you. Please take what applies in your situation. So, today we have three piles in front of us: the blue stone, the sky blue stone, and the green stone. So, let's start with pile number one, the blue stone. So, whoever has chosen the blue stone, this is your reading. Okay, so pile number one, your cards are Ten of Swords, Five of Cups, Seven of Cups, Queen of Wands, King of Swords, and from the Sacred Destiny Oracle deck we have Forgiveness. So, what I see for you, the relationship you're currently in or the person you are thinking about is not the right one for you. I don't see this relationship as growing or having any real thing in it. This is not a real or true or genuine connection. There is a lot of backstabbing, a lot of manipulations, lies, cheating, and all toxic stuff involved in this relationship. And it is a big no for you to be in for you to be in this relationship. I don't see this going anywhere. And if you are not dating this person, or if you are thinking about this person currently, whoever he or she is in your mind is not the right one for you, this relationship will lead to destruction. I don't see it going anywhere. I don't see it having a beautiful future. And I see that the person you're thinking about has a lot of options as well. So I do see that if you are with this person right now, definitely they are viewing other options as well. They are not committed to you or completely focused on you and the relationship. I'm sure that they are involved with other people as well. With the King of Swords, I do see that this person is a very practical person, and with this I also mean that there is no emotional connect between you two, which is not serving you anymore. With Queen of Wands, I do see that this relationship is based out of a physical attraction, and the person you are currently with is more focused on the physical part of the relationship rather than any real thing, any real meaning or true love or anything related to care, affection. I don't see that anywhere in this relationship. I feel that you two feel that this is not the right person for you, but I do see that you are quite attached to the person, he or she, whoever, and I do see that this relationship matters for you a lot. So because of that, I'm seeing that you are unable to let go of this person. But pile number one, I see that this is high time that you let go of it and you free yourself from this toxic relationship. With Ten of Swords, I see that there are many things ahead which will be shown to you about this person, which will make you even more sure that this is not the right person for you. I see within 10 weeks there will be something which is revealed to you about this person. And now I also see with the forgiveness card that you have to move forward, you have to let go of this person and this relationship. Forgive this person for whatever he or she has done in the past with you and let go completely. And heal all your past hurts and wounds and move ahead in your life. I do see you having a great life ahead and a beautiful future in front of you. And now it is high time that you let go of everything which is not serving you anymore and go towards something real, something beautiful and genuine. So this is what I get for pile number 1. Thanks a lot for watching the reading. As I always say that this is a general reading and it may or may not resonate with you. So please apply to your case, and if it does not resonate, you can watch another video or another pile or whatever. So whoever chose pile number 2, the sky blue stone, this is your reading. Okay, so pile number 2. Right now, what I see in your relationship, there is a lot of struggle. The other person or you both are hiding things from each other. I do see that it is from the opposite person. And I do see that the person is very focused on his or her career and not in the relationship. The person is not completely involved with in the growth of the relationship. Rather, it is only about him or her or their career. That is their ultimate goal and focus. I do see that this relationship, I see that this pile is a lot resonating with pile number 1. So if you are even attracted to pile number 1, the blue stone, you can go watch that reading too. I see that there is a lot of dominating nature of someone. There is a lot of control, overpowering, trying to compete with the other partner. I see there is lack of emotions, and even if emotions are involved, it is more of obsessiveness rather a proper connection. I see that these are not real emotions, these are just manipulations, these are just fights and struggles. And there is a lot of control and dominance in the relationship. There is no real freedom, there is no growth, there's nothing called how do I tell you? It is more like there's only one-sided. It is more like a one-sided relationship. I see that one person is emotionally giving more than the other person. It is not a relationship where there is equal give and take. I don't see equal give and take in this. I see dominance of one over the other. And I also see that one person is feeling that they are more on the giving end and the other is more on the receiving end. There is no proper balance being striked in this relationship right now. This is what I see. And someone is very immature in this relationship. You can fit as it applies in your situation. And I do see that it will lead to 3 of Swords, and the fights have already begun, and this is where it is leading, the 3 of Swords. So it will abruptly end. So I do suggest pile number 2 that this is a toxic relationship, and this is not a relationship where there is equal love. I don't see any equal admiration or equal love between you guys. And if you are not with this person currently and thinking about this person, I suggest that you don't initiate any sort of connection with this person, because I don't see this relationship going anywhere. But pile number 2, with the new beginnings card, I do see that not this person but someone else will soon enter your life. Some a real connection, a very pure, a very genuine love will be entering your life in 5 to 8 months is what I see. And with this person you will let go of all your past hurt and wounds, and I do see you coming out of this energy of struggles, of lack, of pain, of hurt, and going towards a very beautiful life. As you can go by the imagery, this is so calming, soothing, so beautiful. It is a combination of fire and water, and the nature is complete. It feels like this relationship will be a complete relationship. All the areas of this relationship, the new one, will be balanced. So I do see that this person you're currently with or thinking about, you have to let go of this person, and and patiently wait for new beginnings in your life. You can have new beginnings in career, in many aspects of your life, but the new things coming ahead are very beautiful, are very amazing, and I see it a very mesmerizing connection. So pile number 2, this is what I get for you. If this reading resonates with you, please like, share, and subscribe. And if it doesn't resonate with you, you can choose another pile or another reading. Thank you for watching. So whoever have chosen pile number 3, the green stone, this is your reading. Wow. So pile number 3, your cards are 7 of Pentacles, the Sun, 6 of Wands, Death, Judgment, Empress, Focus. So without giving even a single thought, I do see that this relationship is your ultimate happiness. This relationship is your dream come true. The person you're currently with is the person made for you. If the person you have always been fated to be with is the right person for you, if your true love, is your eternal love, is your divine love, and is the one for you. With the Sun, I feel that this relationship brings a lot of light, a lot of growth, a lot of brightness in your life. You both complete each other. You both are absolutely in adore of each other. This connection is very beautiful, very soothing, very calming, very relaxing to your soul, your mind and body. With the 6 of Wands, I do see that this person is very victorious. This relationship is very victorious. You both are really doing extremely well in your respective careers as well. With the Judgment, I see that this relationship is a fated one. This connection has been written in the stars. It is destined. It is made by the heavens. I see that you have always dreamt of this person. Like, you see how in the imagery all the people are kind of like praying, waiting, wishing for something to happen, waiting for the judgment of the universe. So this relationship is a dream come true. You have always waited for this person, and now the person is with you. You both complete each other. With the Empress card, I see that you are treated like a queen, and vice versa. You both are absolutely in awe of each other. With the Empress, I do see that this relationship will lead to a marriage, a very successful, a very happy, a very complete marriage. And I do see you having children with this person also. The Empress card is more like the queen, completely in power. So this relationship is something which brings a lot of strength in you. The person is not your weakness. The person you are currently with is your strength, is your power, is your happiness, is your light, is your shine, is your everything, and vice versa. You are the light in their lives, the light at the end of the tunnel. With the death card, I see that this relationship is very transforming. This relationship brings the best in both of you. You people, you both bring the best in each other. You both always welcome change, welcome positive and healthy change. Like we say, change is the only constant. This relationship is not stagnant, it keeps growing. There is growth in mind, body, and there is growth in soul. You both complete each other's soul's search. So pile number 3, this is a very amazing and crazily insane connection. I really see that this growing a lot, and you both ending up with each other in the form of marriage also. With the focus card, just see the mountains, just see the shine. You both are exactly like the imagery in each other's life. Wow, this is so beautiful. And I see that you are with this person for the rest of your life. You both will keep growing, will keep shining, and the love will also grow. It will emerge. There is no stopping for it. Your attraction, your pull towards each other will always multiply, is what I get. So this is what I get for pile number 3. Wow, I'm so happy to see the cards. This is amazing. All the very best for you. Do let me know in the comment section that if the reading resonated with you or not. Thanks a lot for watching, and if you like a personal reading with me, you can check the description box below and comment or text me or anything. You can let me know about it. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll be soon coming with another video. Till then, bye bye.